see what we got here.
Yes. So
Like
excited.
Christmas. This is must be the faucet.
Oh, for the bathroom?
For the bathroom.
Nice.
Also for the bathroom, tile.
Yay.
Not all of it. But we got 3 packages. This is the white tile. And this is the new toilet lid. Wait for it. No more slamming. So this is just a little mid-progress, I guess. Probably got about half of the tile up. All the larger pieces. Now it's going to be a lot of little cutting and trim pieces, but I think it's looking very, very good. And to show you the, oh wait, here's the vanity. I mean, it's hard to get a little tight shot with the video, but replaced the faucet, took off the I don't know, it was about a 1.5, 2 inch kind of backsplash of the Corian type surface, and just gonna lay a bead of caulk on top of the vanity top. The tile that we're using is a 12 by 12 tile here. The brand, this is probably one of the, if not the best, of these self-adhesive tile stick glue. I got it through Amazon. I'll put a link to one of the products. This is Subway tile, obviously. They've got a lot of different tile shapes and patterns, but this is, if you can't really see, it's got a clear film on the top of it right now, but you can really see the depth of the tile. You walk into a room with this stuff on it and you don't know it's not real actual ceramic or porcelain tile unless you touch it. So carry this black stripe around the perimeter of the room, and I'm thinking about carrying it in and through the shower. Let me know what you think there, because this is kind of, the shower is kind of boring. And then there's going to be this tiny little strip here between the shower and this tall cabinet. It's going to be a lot of little pieces. But we're going to get it done, I think, this weekend. So there it is.